Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then find and select More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here you will notice Updates Pending. So you can either update one particular application, for example Gmail, just click Update right next to the particular application. Within a couple of seconds the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Now you can find it here. Here is the progress, and afterwards it would be at the bottom of the list under Recently Updated. As you can see, it's been installed. Meanwhile, of course, you can use your device as only you want to, just send a message, call anybody, you can do whatever you want to, it will be done in the background. And here you can check the progress. And that's it. As you can see now, at the very bottom of the list you will find it updated. You can also update all applications at once by tapping on Update All, and then it will be done. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.